Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, we are making something super delicious and super healthy. We are making a quinoa recipe. Now, for those of you who never tasted quinoa, this is an absolute delicious grain that's a great substitution for brown rice or white rice. It has a lot of amazing nutritional factors and it is magnificent. You can really do a lot of wonderful dishes with this, and it's just great and super healthy. Now, this recipe is like, how should I say it? Arroz con gandulas, except is quinoa con gandulas. It's going to be amazing, delicious Puerto Rican flavors that's just going to have a wow factor with your taste buds. And delicious and healthy. Delicious and healthy, that is what the key goal is, making delicious and healthy foods taste great but super healthy, and it is going to be insanely delicious and easy. So now let's get right to it with the ingredients. Alright guys, now let's begin. Right here I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Right here I have Sazon and Adobo to taste, with as well as dry oregano. That's about 2 teaspoons. I have here tomato paste, 1 tablespoon, and 1 chicken bouillon cube. You can use a ham flavoring if you want, or leave it out. I have here 1 can of Gandules with this brined. And then over here is like my Sofrito mix. I have here white onion, green bell pepper. I have here cilantro and 4 cloves of garlic. I love extra garlic in mine Sofrito. And then over here I have a quinoa. I have 2 cups of quinoa here. This is the white quinoa. I put it in a colander like this because it's easy to rinse off, and that's just about it. You need to clean it like you clean your rice. I usually clean my rice 2 or 3 times before cooking with it, and this I did the same with the quinoa. And then that's it. We're just gonna need some water towards the end, and then that's it, my friends. Super easy, simple ingredients. Now let's begin. And we're gonna put our oil down first and start sauteing our Sofrito mix. Now I'm not gonna wait until the oil gets hot for that. I'm just gonna put it in now, and I'm gonna leave the measurements to everything in the description box, so don't you worry. Now I'm gonna let this cook down just for a little bit, just so it can get nice and it can sweat out more of its flavors. So we're just gonna saute this maybe for a minute or 2, not very long. Now we're gonna put in our tomato paste. I'm gonna wake these flavors up. It's gonna give it nice color and flavor. You just want to stir it in. Alrighty. And we cook this down for a minute. And you see how it wilts down now with the vegetables. It doesn't look as much as it did before, but it has tons of flavor going on here. Now we're going to put the can. You can use fresh if you like. You can use frozen if you like. I'm just doing this for now with this. Oh, look at that. Delicious, delicious, delicious. And we're going to flavor this up with RC spices. So go light on the adobo, especially if you're going to be using any kind of bouillon, chicken bouillon, ham bouillon, whichever. Those things tend to be really salty, so you want to go light on the adobo. Unless you're making it homemade, I really do have a lovely homemade adobo that doesn't have any salt, so you really get the taste and flavors of everything. It's done for another minute, just so all the flavors could get married in this wonderful seasoned broth. So now I'm going to put my quinoa in here. Ooh, be careful. Okay, it's 2 cups. And I'm just going to cover this up with all this goodness here before I put in my liquids. With my bouillon cube, I have here 2 cups of water, and I'm trying to melt down my bouillon cube. You know how that is. So I'm going to add that into the mix and stir. Your stove on a setting of a medium to a low simmer. You don't have to wait until the water dries out. Just put a lid on it, and I'll see you right back. Right, my friends, just remove the cover. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm just giving it a quick stir, just making sure everything is incorporated, everything looks good, smells insane, looks absolutely delicious. And I'm gonna put back the cover and let it continue cooking further for another 10 minutes. And then that's it, my friends. Keep your stove on a low, and this will be done in a good 10 to 15 minutes. See you right back. Okay, just removing my pot cover, and I am going to give this a stir. Look at that. Oh my God, I wish every one of you can smell the deliciousness that I am sniffing up right now. Wow, look at that. It smells like arroz con gandules, yellow rice with pigeon peas, except we use quinoa, much healthier, much better with full flavor. You guys are not going to be missing rice with this recipe. Totally delicious. Let's do a quick taste test. Alright, my friends, the best part of this video is the taste test. So let's do this. Let's give it a taste. It's fluffy. It smells so good and has such a pretty nice yellow brownish color, you know, just like how the classic arroz con gandules looks and smells like. Can I tell you, this, my friends, is simply delicious. Tastes just like arroz con gandules. You are not going to miss the rice. It is so full of flavors. You definitely need to give this a try. Super easy, super healthy, and delicious. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So definitely give this a try. Thank you, my friends, for joining me today in my kitchen. As you already know, it's always a blessing to have each and every one of you joining me. Thank you for all my newcomers that are here today. Welcome to the family. So thank you once again for joining me today. Please give this a try. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. And let's cook. Let's cook healthy. If you want any other delicious, healthy recipes, leave me a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more tasty recipes that are healthy. And don't forget to visit me on my social media sites. Tag along, follow me, chat with me, you name it. I do look at all of my Comments, I do comment back. I love to interact with each and every one of you. So thank you once again. Have a blessed day. Make this, and if you make it and take a picture, tag me in there. I would love to see your creations, and I will see you again. Take care. Bye bye.